Okay, well, it is the first week in the new year, and we're always excited about what it's doing for people. We ended up with a sporting good place that we're helping out now. They were actually the first person that we're setting up this year, and then I just got done with another meeting where there's 3 more people that need our services that will that I look at, I'm like, yep, we can definitely benefit them. I'm excited about helping them. It's really neat when people see what is going to happen. You know what I mean? They can see it in the future. One of the things that they look at is being able to see, oh, you know what? I'm going to be keeping the interest. I'm going to be keeping all the merchant fees. I'm the one that's financing. Oh, this is how I can do it. This is how I can help people out. One of the ladies that we're signing up, she is a coach, and her small package in coaching is $500, about $500, and she has 3 people right now that want her coaching, but they can't afford it. So they're clients that she's real excited about, wants to help out, but they don't have the money, and you can't do it for free. Well, one of them actually was going to go get a credit card to pay her, and as soon as she said that, I was like, no, don't do that. Your client is going to be, you're going to lose 2.5% to 3.5% depending on what card it is. And then on top of that, your client is going to be charged, anywhere between 18 to 28% interest on the money. Lower the interest rate. You do the financing. So actually, in our conversation, she automatically called her client and said, "Don't go get a credit card. Don't do it. Let's set you up to where I'm financing you." And so the client is like super excited about it. I love it when I see that. That's more money that has now been pulled from credit card companies, more interest, more profit that they would have made, that is now staying in not only the client's hands, our client's hands, but their client's hands. So hugely beneficial. Way excited about the new year. We're really hoping to help as many people as possible. Please, if you're not involved in the company right now, please sign up. I actually gave access to, I think, all of the videos now that you had to purchase before. I just want this in the hands of as many people as possible. So please sign up and get started in this process. Start making all that money yourself. Start keeping it all yourself. And we'll talk to you later.